Hi guys, welcome to the Miranda and Daddy Shopkins Extravaganza. The video we done last night actually got cut off right towards the end.
But you still got to see limited edition.
But you still got to see Miranda unbox her very first limited edition.
It's actually being Rosie 127 out of 1,000, not
yeah,
5,000.
Yeah, we put on the comments, she just got so excited, she said 127 out of 5,000. But it's actually rarer than that. It is 127 out of 1,000.
We both think it's the rarest Season 3 Shopkin.
So, without all of that, or with all of that, there is Miranda's Season 3 limited edition.
I've never had a limited edition before.
Nope, this is her first. Number 127 out of 1,000. It was found... You're Rosie.
In a Season 3 12-pack.
It was found in a Season 3 12-pack. So, we've opened cases and cases and cases, literally, of blind baskets.
Like
haven't found any.
and a bunch of these, and that's our first one.
I'm sure there is. If you found the limited edition, write in the comments below where you found it, what it was in. Was it a blind basket, 5-pack, 12-pack? What was it? So, and other than that, these are the Season 1 and Season 2 Shopkins that we got from eBay. So want to give a shout out to Siegs. And I can't remember the other gal's name that we bought these from. I'm sorry. I'll think of it maybe and give her a shout out. So anyway, we got them. She loves them and they are awesome. She got the pink cookie from...
Then I got bubble tubs.
In the bubble tubs. So we don't go into a really long video. We're going to go ahead and start unboxing. Hoping we will find another limited edition. So we will see. And as we always say, please subscribe, comment, and like. We're still very persistent. We want some of the duplicates that we find. We're going to start giving those away, have some drawings. So comment.
Like you know who.
Yeah.
Wilma Wade, Mixin Maxie, Raspberry.
Yeah, all of those, because we always get a bunch of those.
And our first one is a duplicate.
Oh, what is it? How do you have
Shady.
Shady. Oh, actually, yeah. What we are opening is Season 3 blind baskets, Season 4 2 12-packs, and a 5-pack. And this one looks very yummy.
Cheese Louise.
Cheese Louise. You're feeling for those certificates now.
Yes, because last night I'm like, I've never felt this one before.
This one doesn't feel familiar, she said. So definitely, if you didn't see or if you haven't seen our video from last night, or our last video, I did put in the title the limited edition, so that's how you'll find it. I think it was right around the 5-minute mark, maybe, that she found it.
Yeah. And mine's a duplicate. Sneaky Sally.
Sneaky Sally.
There's Egg Cup. Egg Cup. I don't think we have this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't think we have it in the white polka.
Ah.
Well, there's red polka dots and then
Who's
there's
this
white.
one? This is a birthday. This is a common, right?
Birthday Betty.
Birthday Betty.
We have our crate. Not crate, but a bag. And we have...
Isn't there a hidden one in the 5-packs?
Yeah, I already opened it. Zach.
Oh, okay.
And here's Millie Mushroom.
Millie Mushroom.
Here.
The milliest mushroom of them all.
Here we have Merry Wishes.
This one feels familiar. This one actually...
Candy Cookie.
Candy Cookie. Wasn't this the other...
The one that we opened with the limited edition, yeah.
Yeah, this was the
Same
other
color.
one that was in the bag with her.
Jiggly Jelly. And we have Milk Bud.
And this one is...
Mixie Maxie.
I told you.
At first I didn't know, really.
One.
I was like, oh, I didn't need to tell you that. Did I?
Nope, I did know that one. It's amazing, all the ones that we've opened and unboxed. This is actually our 18th video. I still have to have help with the names. That's okay though. And this one is on the floor.
No, isn't it?
Almost.
Super celery.
Super celery.
I need the brown one of that.
I need the brown one. This one is
Will
Wedge.
I just said Will.
And I knew what you were talking about. We're going to say. These 12 packs can be kind of...
Tricky. The tape on them is what gets me. I move this out of the way.
I feel a hat. Hot hat.
It's Casper Cat.
Casper Cap.
I'm not going to open it.
If you need a Casper Cap, comment below. We've got one right here. We can get right out to you.
Here's Sweet Pea.
And this one is...
Susie Sushi.
Susie Sushi.
And hold it up again. Here is the other Susie Sushi.
Ah, we got both colors. How many colors are there, Susie Sushi?
2. And here we have Taco Terry.
Actually, you know, I thought what we could do, if you have
Susie
any,
Sunday.
if you have any season 1s or season 2 Shopkins that you've got a bunch of, and you see something that we unbox that you need, let us know. We'll work out a trade with you. Sound like a good idea?
Uh-huh. But none of these, like ones right here in the mail, because I only have one of them, and you know.
Yeah, most of the ones, actually all the season 1 and 2,
We don't really have.
we really didn't got bit by the
Here's
Shopkins
Shady.
bug until season 3. So actually don't really have a whole lot of
Here's
season
a lot
1
of
and
banana
2.
bread.
So we're still trying to, and we've got tons and
Teeny
tons
TV.
of season 3. I wish we would have got bit by the Shopkin bug for season 1 and 2, because we would already have
A bunch of them.
bunches.
Here's Naughty Notebook.
Because we have probably bought 15, 20 cases. Full cases. Who's this one, honey?
Pee Wee Kiwi.
Pee Wee Kiwi. Get him? And this one is the same one that I just opened.
Peachy.
Except it's in a different color. Who is it?
Casper Cat.
Casper Cat. There's the turquoise teal.
Here's
and here's
Flappy
the
Cat.
purple. Both of those. I'm not really sorry
Now
if
my
I'm going
blind bag.
too fast, so. She's into the blind bags
And I
already.
have both of these.
Well, phooey.
They both from special edition.
Hey,
so.
there you go. At least it's a special
Here's-
edition.
Penny pencil. Goes great with Naughty Notebook.
And this one is the TV.
Teeny TV.
Teeny
We've already
TV.
opened it one time. Just in this video.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. There's 2. Got 2.
And here's Molly Moccasin.
I remember opening this one
Ultra.
last night.
Creamy
Creamy cookie.
Now my last one.
Creamy cookie. It looks pretty good there. And this one is
Susie Sunday.
Susie
And
Sunday.
we have the other call in this video right here.
Oh, yep. There's the white one, and there's the red one. Susie Sundays. Susie Sunday, Susie Sunday. Say that 5 times real fast.
No. Susie Sunday, Susie Sunday, Susie Sunday, Susie Sunday.
And this
Susie
one
Sunday.
is Croissant Dior. Yep, I got it right. Croissant Dior.
Here's Cindy Bond.
Cindy Bon.
Cheeky cherries. Comfy chair.
Oh, I opened this one last night.
Brimmy.
Brimmy. If you need a Brimmy, let us know. We've got a whole bunch of Brimmies.
And here's an ultra rare duplicate Dennis Ball.
Ah. always good to get an ultra rare.
Even if
Even if it is a duplicate. Somebody somewhere. Oh, there's the other one.
creamy cookie.
The other creamy cookie. We got the brown and the yellow and the yellow and the brown. Oops.
And here's the new. We don't have this one in our collection. It's Jade
That's
Spade.
a new one.
We have the yellow one though, but not this one.
We got the yellow one and the blue.
And we have Sharon Chew.
Actually, I think this is Sweet Pea.
And Bagel Belly.
Is that right? Is that their name? Is that its name? Her name? Nope.
Asparagus.
Not really a pea, but asparagus.
And I just dropped it, but it was Milk Bud. And we already have it right here.
Where is Milk Bud? I didn't see which way it went.
It went that way, but we already have it right here, so there's the other milk. The Milk Bud we got. It was so pink. So,
Oh, I found it.
yeah. There's
There it is.
Party Plate, and then there's the Milk Bud.
And this one is...
My last visual shopping is Mickey.
And who's this one?
Cheese Louise. It's
Cheese
right there too.
Louise. I've got both of them. Cheese Louise.
Better than macaroni and cheese. Maybe.
The last, actually, we timed it just right. Both of us are on our very last one. Who will it be?
I got a good pack. A good
I got a
pack.
bunch of doubles, but you know what? We did not open one Asbury Raspberry. Oh wow, you did get a good pack.
I'm not showing you guys it. And no, it's
Good
not
job.
limited edition. Wendy
This
Wedding
one
Cake.
is Wendy Wedding Cake.
Here's Jingle Purse, if I can get it out. We don't have this yellow one yet, but we have the red one. Jingle Purse.
And this one is who is it?
Vicky Vac.
Vicky Vac. And that was my last blind bag. I didn't get any ultra rares, did I?
Yeah, you did. Brimmy, Molly
Oh
Moccasin.
yeah, actually I was wrong.
Cheese Louise, Croissant Dior, Super Celery, Creamy Cookies.
Those are rare ones?
Ultra rares, yeah.
Ultra rares?
Yeah.
Here, you got it?
And our last one tonight is a duplicate shimmery shopkin.
But it is very, very cool. And it's being very difficult. Come on out
Not
of there.
open. It's
Come
a blue
on
one from
out of
season
there.
4.
There it goes. She's got it. There it is. Bum, bum, bum.
Doggy bowl.
Doggy bowl. So there is, that should wrap up our 18th video. 17 was obviously the lucky number for Miss Miranda.
The
She got this
limited edition.
awesome limited edition. Season 3 Ring of Rosie. Very, very cool. Very cool. So, with all of that, we will get back to shopping, and I guess our next one will be whichever one we can find in stores. Hopefully some more 12 packs. Obviously 12
And
packs
5.
and 5s are been good to us, so we're going to stay on that route. If there's anything special that you want us to get and unbox, let us know. Comment below, and we will do our best to get it and unbox it. So without that, there's our time.